All right, guys, here we go. Real quick video on the natural gas futures, standard chart. This is the weekly chart. Every candle you see here is 1 week of price action, and we're currently here in a few hours going to start this a new candle. This was last week's candle close, 4 in a row. So we are in a strong time count to begin with. Now, the key takeaways here is that we are making higher lows. This is where we bottomed out here on the weekly chart. Low, then we made a higher low, and each time we made a pivot to the upside, okay? And so far we're putting in higher high, and higher high, okay? And eventually what you want to see, which we've already done, is this really nice W formation. And it's even stronger if you hold the 20, okay, that blue line at the bottom. Let me take all this off. And yeah, once you hold that area here on this W formation, that's, extremely strong. That's really one of the big keys there to get a 83, 87% probability of continued upside. Now, well, like I said, we are on a time count. A lot of times on the fifth candle, third, fifth, seventh candle, you'll get a opposite color candle. So in this case, it'd be red, or if you were on the downtrend red, then you'd get a green, kind of a pause candle. So we'll see next week how that holds out. But we are, coming up here to a kind of a high pivot area, which we hit back really the end of February. Okay, so that's really the only concerning thing at the moment is that we might be a little overdue for a red candle on the weekly coming up, especially since it's kind of closed as a spinning top indecision candle. It would have been a little bit more 50-50 if the body of this candle, pull that in where you can see it, if there was an even amount of wick of this candle, the top as well as the bottom. Okay, so let's go to the daily and pull it in here a little closer. And right now we're what's basically called an inside bar. In other words, we are trading inside this red candle bar, okay? And what you want to do is just sit on your hands, because eventually you're right. It's trap. Price is trap. There's only two ways it can go: and trade sideways and break out to the upside, or yeah, trade sideways and break out to the downside there. So maybe not financial advice, but it might be, a good idea just to kind of hold neutral here and see which way the market wants to go. Because the market is just like Mother Nature, 100% right, 100% of the time. But okay, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Check us out on Twitter and check out our Patreon members group, and we will see you on the charts.